For Candle's formula, unlocking the path to online success, //c/jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. Embark on a journey to online success with the revolutionary 4 Candles formula. This 3-day masterclass simplifies trading, making it accessible to everyone. Say goodbye to complex online ventures and hello to a straightforward path to financial freedom. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. The design of the 4 Candles formula is sleek and user-friendly, enhancing the overall appeal of the product. Crafted with high-quality materials, this formula ensures durability, guaranteeing longevity in its usage. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. Standout features of the 4 Candles formula include its simplicity, efficiency, and high success rate. With just a few minutes a day, users can master the method and achieve financial success effortlessly. This formula requires zero prior experience, making it accessible to all. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. In comparison to other similar products in the market, the 4 Candles formula shines with its unique selling points. Its simplicity, efficiency, and proven success rate set it apart from competitors, making it a top choice for those seeking online business success. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. The advantages of the 4 Candles formula include its simplicity, efficiency, and high success rate. However, some may find the minimal time commitment challenging. Despite this drawback, the benefits far outweigh any limitations. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. What makes the 4 Candles formula stand out is its clear and manageable path to success. This formula eliminates the complexities and headaches often associated with online ventures, offering users a straightforward and profitable method to achieve financial stability. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. Genuine user experiences and testimonials attest to the effectiveness of the 4 Candles formula. Many users have found success and financial freedom through this method, praising its simplicity and high success rate. Join the ranks of satisfied users and unlock your path to online success. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. To maximize your experience with the 4 Candles formula, practice the method before going live to ensure smooth operations. Stay consistent with your daily routine and dedicate a few minutes each day to mastering the formula. With diligence and perseverance, success is within reach. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. Question: is the 4 Candles formula suitable for beginners? A. Yes, the formula is designed for beginners and requires zero prior experience in trading. Q. How much time does it take to master the method? A. With just a few minutes a day, users can easily master the formula and start seeing results. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/. In conclusion, the 4 Candles formula offers a clear and manageable path to online success. With its simplicity, efficiency, and high success rate, this formula eliminates the complexities of traditional online ventures. Join the masterclass and unlock your potential for financial freedom. https://jvz6.com/c/31314949/404362/.